So excited about this one. PlayStation Portal 30th Anniversary Edition. I got lucky, saw it online, had to grab it right away. Obviously, guys, I already have a PlayStation Portal, but nothing beats the 30th anniversary. This logo alone is worth it, in my opinion. Yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I want to show you the cool design inside of the box here. This is all about aesthetic, guys. Here it is. It says 30th anniversary. Once again, guys, I did pay this with my own money. Sony did not give this out to me at all. Look at the design on this box right here. It says 30th. They even made the bag gray as well. The OG PlayStation logo. That's a beauty. Oh, that screen looks so good. The OG buttons from the old PlayStation. The logo right there. Beautiful. And last but not least, on the back, it says PlayStation 30th. Remote player instruction booklet. That's it. That's all you get. No charging ports, no charging cords or anything. Wow, that is it, guys. That is all you get in this box. Literally just the portal, no charging port, no nothing. There's a software update as soon as you connect it to Wi-Fi. So we're doing that. So while I was updating, let me show you what the white one looks like versus the 30th anniversary. Nothing changed much other than colors, buttons. Looks so cool. Especially if you grew up with the original PlayStation, you know what I'm saying? Here's the D-pad. I'm sure one day somebody's gonna mod this thing up to where, you know, you can get this color onto here, but for now, I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. That's the 30th anniversary unboxing the PlayStation Portal. Anyway, have fun. Have a good one.